Alright guys, hope y'all are doing well. This is day 22 without sports, in case you were wondering. Alright, and also I'm in a better mood today because there was red diamond tea at HEB. So, of course I'm in a better mood. I want to go over some of the worksheet. This is finding slope on graph WS1, which is like the second worksheet that I put in there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, comment on Google Classroom, whatever. And for those of you who are turning stuff in regularly, I really appreciate it. Good job. Keep up the good work. For those of you who haven't, get them into me pronto, whenever you can. Pronto, preferably. All right, so we're going to go over number 1. Remember, if it's on a graph, think rise over run. So, let me open up Paint real quick. Open up Paint, so think rise over run anytime that's on a graph. So we see a graph here. So this is what we're going to think right here, rise over run. So now, just to go number 1. So our rise, in order to rise, we have to start at the lowest point. So we see this little red dot right here. So we're going to count up until we're even with this top point. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So at 3, we are even with the top point. So our rise is 3. And now we have to figure out our run, which is horizontal. So counting from our 3 right here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that comes out to be 3 over 10. And also, this would be positive 3 over 10 because remember, it would be sliding downhill. And sliding downhill is always a negative. So rise over, oops, that's a bad negative. Rise over run would be a negative. So this would be number 1. It would be a negative 3 over 10. And that doesn't reduce or simplify to anything. So it is still 3 over 10. Alright, number 2. We'll do this one. Hopefully it didn't confuse you all because it's just a weird looking graph. But I don't think it would. But anyway, so yeah, we're going to do again. Since this graph, we're going to be thinking rise over run. My mouse is like really messing up. So we're going to start at the lowest point and count up until we're even with the highest point. Start right here from the red dot. You can always count dot to dot. It's just the easiest way to do it on these worksheets. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our rise for number 2 is 10. And our run is just basically how much over it is. So 1. So there's 10 over 1, which equals 10 divided by 1 is simply 10. So the slope is 10, but remember, now we have to check and see if it's a positive or a negative. So this is downhill. It'd be like a really steep downhill, but it's still downhill. So the slope is negative 10 for this one. Alright, and here, since I feel like being nice, I'm going to do one more. Let's do number 5 on the same worksheet. Number 5. So remember, again, thinking rise over run because it's on a graph. So our rise would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now you're thinking for number 5, 4 over something. We don't know what it is. Now we have to calculate, that's supposed to be a question mark. So we're thinking 4 over something right now. And so we're even with it at 4, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 over 10. And now you can ask yourself, is it a positive or a negative? It would be a positive because we'd be walking uphill. Like imagine my cursor is like a little bitty person just walking up the hill. They'd be tired. We're positive that they're going to be tired. I don't know. I know that's kind of corny, but we'll just go with it. So we have 4 over 10 as our answer. But this also can reduce. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So therefore, our slope is 2 over 5. But also, if you put 4 over 10, that is correct. But 2 over 5 would be a better answer, I guess, than 4 over 10, just because it's simplified. So yeah, I hope this helps. If you are struggling at all, don't hesitate to ask questions, So yeah, hope this helps. Anyway, have a great day, and bye.